Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Mace Windu from Star Wars, also featuring in Fortnite Galactic Battle at the moment. So I'm going to draw him with his Jedi robes on and a hood up. So let's go in there at the top there. I'm going to draw the start of the robe. So at the top about here, let's just put a dot around there, okay? Then I'm going to come over to the right hand side, curve down to the top of the hood, curve it out, sort of Jedi style there, and then I'm going to go back upwards kind of this way here. From this side, I'm going to take the pen at the top there, curve it over around here, curve it outwards to the left, back inwards to about that point there, okay? So I've got a cool sort of curve going on. Let's do the inner part of the hood. So I'm going to go back up to this top area, a little bit more pointed, so just put a dot there. Again, I'm just going to curve around to the edge there, sort of taper it in. We can just let it sort of taper down over the side there. On this side, I'm going to come around this way and curve down this way, and it kind of just creases in a little bit there on the hood, like that, okay? Next up, just going to get Mace Windu's face in. So the head obviously is covered a bit by the hood there, so the top of that. Now, just in here, I'm going to show a little bit of an ear, just there, a little curvature of an ear. And I'm going to come down this way, around to a jawline, back around, up, and show a little bit of the ear again, around there. So we've got that kind of just face in there. Now, let's try and get that Samuel L. Jackson look. Get the brows in first of all, I think. So around here, just gonna have quite a stern brow, sort of going upwards that way, looking a bit inquisitive. On this side, just a little bit more rounded, but still quite stern. Just put a nice little curve of brow in there. And then in the middle there, I'm just gonna have a little crease the brow, just to show he's like slightly anxious. Let's go down, just look at the nose area. So I'm going to come downwards about here. Just going to draw in a little curve of a nose there. And the nostrils. Maybe just the edge of the nose there. Bridging the noses around here. Just a little dash there. Bring it up. Now let's get the mouth in. So it's got that kind of inquisitive mouth look. So I'm just going to sort of just draw almost like a little heart-shaped lip, bottom lip in there. And then what I will do is kind of just have a little bit of a tense look. So just a little bit of a sort of curve around there. There we go. Just draw a little bit of a chin line. So just in like that. And now we're missing the eyes. So Samuel L. Jackson's got quite big eyes. I'm gonna just do a nice curve underneath the eyebrow there, underneath the eyebrow here, and then just do the other side of the oval. So just a little hint of a curve there. I'm going to have him looking over quite pensively over this way, okay? Now I'm just going to maybe put a little bit of cheek area in there, maybe just a little bit of a slightly more pensive sort of frown line there around that point, and then maybe just a little bit in there as well. There we go. I'm gonna leave that. Just continue with the picture. So let's just work out the shoulder area here. So the hood area kind of goes around this Jedi cape and kind of moves back up this way. So the robe of his neck probably about here, so I'm just going to put a dash there, dash here, and then this kind of comes up, right up to this way, kind of folds in, and this way kind of folds in there, and I've kind of now got just a little bit of a collar area here, and these little bits in here I'm just going to colour in and ink. Cool, got that mysterious Jedi hood on him. Okay, Now I've gone around there. The robes start off with a bit of a V around the neck, so just gonna come down this way, just draw a nice little V there for the start of the robe. Now, probably just gonna come out from here, just draw those long Jedi robes. So from the hood area here, I'm just gonna cascade down, wobble the pen out like that and in. It's a nice edge line. And then the robes kind of come down this way, so I'm gonna just do the edge of the robe, sort of coming this way, past this arm and fly it out right to the edge down there. On this side, got this hood here, and then we've got the shoulder area sort of popping out here. And these robes are go quite wide at the edge, so I'm gonna really sort of ruffle it out, spread it out there. Then I'm gonna come around this way, and I'm gonna just bring my pen up like that there. Now I've got that in, I can do this part of the robe, sort of hits it around here and then sort of just curves down side of our character of Mace Windu here, down to about there. And actually let's draw a hand in here and we can just continue this edge area. So the hand kind of just comes around out from this robe. It's kind of a clenched fist, so go in there with a thumb, come out here, give a hint at the knuckles, and that's all we need to do. Then I can come down this way with the robe. So about here, just gonna come down here, curve it out, and then nice sort of curve, wobble curve inwards like that. Just up here, I can do the other hand. It's just a hint of that being shown around here. So all I've got to do is just a little bit popping out there. Now, the interior of the robe probably comes down from the top here. I'm just gonna get my pen to cascade down here. We'll draw a nice little edge to the robe down to about there. Now I've got that in, I can do the middle part of the robe areas. So this tunic where we've done the little kind of V area, what we can have next is we can come down to about here. We can draw the start of the Jedi belt, so come right over this way. And then this then moves up here where the tunic is, so around there. Then, now I've got that as a sort of grounded base, I can just kind of move up the pen, so kind of like crisscross these elements, these Jedi robes, so just little sort of creases and lines coming from the central points. Kind of comes around, another one maybe here, and then we've got the sort of the main one, I guess, coming up this way. Maybe just a couple of lines on that one there. The other end of the belt is around here. So just draw a nice line of that wider part of the Jedi belt. And then here we've got his lightsaber, so just a lightsaber hanging off the belt here. So I'm going to draw this in. Just draw a nice little rounded square element there, and underneath it another little point like that. Then I'm going to come downwards like that, come downwards like that, and curve it in, just a little diagonal line, cap it off, and then we're just going to draw another slightly tapered rectangle there. A couple of little lines in there. Like that. Now I've got that in, I can just end the belt area there, end the belt area up there. He's got a couple of little other belts sort of tied up around here. Now I think there's a little pack actually just here on the belt. We've got a buckle going on, probably around a nice little rectangle here. And then we've got like a little belt in the middle of that. Just gonna draw a little square area there, and then going along the top like that, another little element. Now I've got that in, I can continue this robe element that comes down here. So one sort of part of the robe comes out here, the other down this way. So from the central point here, I'm just going to bring my pen down. From this point here, just going to bring my pen down like that, match it up. On this side, I'm going to come down from the center again, just bring your pen down like that, go right to edge. There's a little bit of the tunic just in sort of this area here, like that. I think there might actually be a few little lines like that in it. Okay, we just need to do the feet. So got a little hint of his legs or trouser area there. And then the boot of Mace Windu is here. So this just comes probably around about this point here. Just draw out this little boot, taper it out around here with the foot, come back around here and up. Maybe just put a little bit of a sole, so just make it a bit thick around that area there. And then there's a couple of little lines, maybe a little bit of the leather that comes out around there. On this side, we're going to draw just into this tunic area here, come downwards, sort of show his Jedi trousers. And he's got this long boot he's wearing. It comes out here, calf muscle down to there. On this side, the shin area kind of comes down here. What we can do with the design, it kind of caps off. Just draw a little line there. And then I can come outwards to about this point, curve your pen round, down, around bottom to the heel and upwards there. Again, I'm just gonna sort of thicken up that lower part, and we can draw just maybe like here. There's a few little dashes in there around that point. Just one more element to do is the back of the tunic. So I'm gonna come up to about this point, just do a nice curve to the leg there, curve around this way. Actually, it kind of cascades down from here, so down there, curve around like that. Okay, what we will do now is maybe just go around a few of the main points of the character, just beef him up a bit around the edge. Just taper it up to the head, so around there. And maybe just that line there, and maybe this one here kicking out around the legs area. Cool, okay, I've got a lot of detail on the face, so what I want to do, just sort of draw in a few little dash lines here, maybe a few little dash lines there. The Jedi robe's quite a basic brown kind of colour, so just want to add a few little dashes. Maybe there's a bit of an edge going down here. Just start adding a little bit more interesting detail. You know, maybe that's a few little crease lines in the arm area around here. It goes around, creases maybe down there. Maybe we've got a few little hatching shadows which we can just add around this point. Maybe there's a few little sort of creases at the bottom here, and then little light dashes maybe on the edges there. Sort of just coming off our character. Just starts adding a little bit more interesting detail, right? Same thing down the shoe there. I think along the back here we've got a little bit of dark there, so actually what I might do is just add a few little dash lines there, a few there, and then that goes into the edge of the robe here, so that as well, probably, if we think about it, we can probably dash in where the lightsaber is into this point here. And what I will do there is just fill in, just curve it down there, just fill in a couple of nice sort of inked areas, just to get right into that bit up there, colour that in there. Yeah, that's nice, just gives that extra idea of space and shadow. The back here, maybe just a few little bits in and around there. So let this work a bit better as well. There we go.
Just comes down this way. And then just on the edge here, maybe just a couple of little dashes on the hood. The tunic and the belt, maybe that we can just fill that in a bit better. Just dash along the lines. Maybe they're quite basic kind of bits of clothing, so I'm quite keen to make these maybe a little bit more rippled coming off here. Maybe the material around here, let's give him a bit of a Adam's apple there. And maybe a little bit of a crease on the trouser, and the boots here, maybe we'll just sort of dash into there and around there as well. Just a couple of little sort of flecks of the material there. There we go. Okay, that's pretty cool. There is Mace Windu from Star Wars, also featuring in Fortnite at the moment, Galactic Battle. Let me know what you think. Let me know who else I can draw in the comments from the latest season. And we'll see you again soon. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.